All right, here we go, hockey fans. We're going to film how we came up with and see if 1,9, that point, that line will go through that point on the graphing calculator. So the point is 1,9. So here's how you put it in your calculator. Everybody hit the word stat right there. See where it says stat? Hit that. And then it says edit. So you want to hit enter because you want to go edit the stat. Okay? List 1, list 2, list 3, list 4. Do you have any numbers in L1 or L2? Raise your hand if you do. Okay? Go up to the top of list 1 with your arrow key and hit clear, enter. Then go to the right, go at the top of list 2 and hit clear, enter. And now you have cleared your lists. Anybody not have it cleared? Good. So we want to put that point in. L1 is what? L1 is 1. Do you see it? It's your X coordinate. Put 1, enter. Tell me if you don't have that in there. Okay, arrow to the right. What are we going to put for list 2? 9. 9, enter. We now have a point in our calculator. We need to graph that point. Here's how you do it. We need to go to what's called a stat plot. We need to plot the point. So what color is stat plot? Blue. So we got to go second, y equals. Is everybody there? Okay, again, stat plot. You see it in blue right here? Right? We got to go second, stat plot. Do you have off, off, off? Does anybody have on? Okay, we need to turn everything off first. So I want to show you how to do that. Go down to 4. It says plots off. Go down one more. It says plots on. I don't want to turn them all on. I just want to turn one on. But I want to first turn them all off so you learn how to do that. Okay, turn them off. So go to there and hit enter. It'll go to an open window, says plots off. They're not off yet. You got to hit enter again. Now they're all off. Okay? Now I want to start all over and I want to turn one of them on. Where do I go to turn on a stat plot? Second stat plot. Go to that again. I want to turn that one on. Hit enter. And then see how it's blinking on the on? Hit enter. So I just went from off to on. The type is the first type. So if you arrow down, there's the type. Do you see it says X list is L1, Y list is L2. Isn't that what we have? We have 1 in L1. We have 9 in L2, right? Then the mark type is you can do a square, a plus sign, or a dot on the graph. We're going to do a square. That's the easiest one to see. So now we're ready to plot that point. But I want to put in the equation now. Where would I put the equation? Where would I go to put the equation? Y equals 4x plus 5. Where? What would I press? Anthony? Alpha? No. Do you see where it says y equals here at the top left? Does everybody see y equals? Press that. Do you see why we solve for y? Do you see why we solve everything for y equals mx plus b? Because now we can put it in the calculator. So do you have any equations in there right now? Okay, if you do, hit clear, enter. And then go back to y1. Everybody there? I want to put in 4x plus 5 right here. So put 4. X is right here next to alpha. Have I taught you that yet? No? Tell me if I haven't taught you that yet. Raise your hand. Okay. So the X is right next to alpha. X, T, theta, N. Hit that button. And then plus, right? And then 5. Right? Everybody have 4x plus 5. Who doesn't have 4x plus 5 in there? Now, I now want to graph it. Now, understand there's a graph button right here. If you hit that, it could give you something weird. Don't hit that. I always tell students to hit zoom, that button right there in the middle. Go down to a standard window, which is 6. So you have a standard window, you have a square window, you can zoom out, you can zoom in, you can do a Z box around something. I always say go to standard window, hit enter now, and you should see the line go straight through the point. Okay, does it say error?
It says invalid.
Invalid. Let me see what yours says.
I just cleared it.
Okay, you don't have the 9 in there. Okay, anybody else is saying, okay, let me show you what happened. So, let me show you this because you'll understand when something doesn't go right. She does not have the 1 and the 9 in. What happened is she put a 9 there and forgot to hit enter. Okay, does everybody see that? She put the 9 in right here, but she has to hit enter because she didn't have this in. Okay, she didn't have this in here. When she went to zoom standard, this is what happened. It gave her a quit. So she has to quit, so she has to go second quit to a new open window. Now she's like, what happened? So what you do is check. She's got the y equals right. She's got the stat plot on, but she doesn't have the points in there correct. So you go stat, enter. She has the 1 in, but the 9's not in. You put the 9 in, and now she goes zoom 6, enter, there it is. That's what happened. Anybody else not get it? Sorry, should I wipe that off for you? Here, nope. Not going to take any chances. Here you go. Anybody else have an error? Do you understand the graphing calculator, how powerful this is? Did you get it? Okay. Do you understand how powerful the graphing calculator is? It will check every answer this chapter, and this chapter is not an easy chapter. You will learn graphing. If you master the graphing calculator, you will learn graphing better than you've ever learned before. All right, I'm done with my video.